Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Toyota Hilux SR dual cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5655. The shape runs from the 9th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 2GD 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 2GD 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, plastic type bull bar with LED light bar and all bolts and brackets. Left guard has no damage, bonnet has no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, pair of caravan style mirrors, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, Minecorp steel tray with all bolts and brackets, TAG towbar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right power door, right caravan style mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.